Hey guys, Retro Badger here. After the humiliating defeat of the Enterprise E to the warship Voyager, I think it's time for some revenge. So yeah, here we go.
Red alert, shields
Right. Now it's all going to come down to what torpedoes they use, basically.
Yes, Captain. Intercept course plotted.
If they use the war torpedoes, we're in big trouble because our shields will drop instantly. So I'm hoping to get as much damage as possible done. It's our best chance.
Forward shield is draining.
Ooh, we got hit by something. Okay, it looks like they've selected the last torpedo, possibly. That shouldn't impact our shields too much, though it is sending... Whoa! There we go! And the great thing about that is, I think we've got rid of Neelix as well, because the mess hole's gone. Woohoo! Bonus. Sorry to any Neelix fans out there. Yep, look at that. Oh! There goes deck 15. And apparently they surrender. Oh my goodness, look at that. That's so funny. Oop, hang on, can we track something? Nope. Oh man, look at this. I think we're going to have some manual fire. It's come down to this, hasn't it? There we go. Wow, we've got one warp nacelle. That's all we've got left of the ship. Whoa. There we go. Well,
That's it. We got
the Enterprise E got revenge. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.